Hey everybody, I'm going to help you with number 1. A net of a triangular prism is shown below. Here's the net. And by the way, you might not know this, but if we were to fold this up, it would sort of form the shape of a ramp to a shed. All right, let's look at what they want. They want to know what is the surface area in square feet of the triangular prism. Now what I've done here is I've taken each dimension here. So that, see this piece right here? Isn't that a rectangle? If we were to find the area of that, we would do base times height. So let's look and see if we can figure out what the dimensions of this thing are. So going this way, it's 20. And going this way, it's 5. All right, so you're going to find what 20 times 5 is, and you'll have some number, and that'll be the area of this blue piece. All right, so let's put it right here. Now, we have this piece right here, which I have in green, and you have to ask yourself, what are the dimensions of that? Well, if this is 20, then this line right here is 20, and it's a 20 by 12. 20 by 12. Area equals 20 by 12. So you'll find that product, you'll have a number, and you'll keep that number handy. All right, so now we have this piece right here, which is a 13 by, well, what's this number? We have to infer it. If this is 20, so is this. 13 by 20. You're going to find 13 times 20, and you'll have that number handy. All right, so now let's take care of the two triangles. The formula for one of the triangles is half of the base times height. But remember, we have two of them. We have two of them. All right, so we want to do area equals half of the base. Now, in order to find the base and the height, we have to figure out what are the two numbers that are perpendicular to each other. And if there's no symbol here, but if I were to put a little perpendicular symbol, that's this line and this line. They give you this, but we don't need that. So let's call 12 the base. And the line that's perpendicular, that is 5, so we're going to call that the height. But you don't want to forget that we have two of those. So we'll find the area of 1, and then we'll multiply it by 2. Half of 12 would be 6. 6 times 5 would be 30. But remember, we have two of those. So you're going to finish this up. Now, hopefully you'll have all the numbers. You're going to have some number for this. You'll have some number for that, some number for this, and then you'll have some number for this. You're going to take those four numbers that you'll now have, add them together, and that should give you the surface area of the entire figure.